My name is Paul and I'm the principal here at New Albany Middle School. Today we had some special guests with us doing some training with our teachers. We have Forest Scientific come in today training us on how to use a CNC router. The CNC router is a piece of equipment that we've garnered through some grant opportunities here at the school that is going to basically come in and reinforce math skills and bring a hands-on approach to learning here at New Albany Middle School. You know, one of the great things we've got here, we have incorporated the new lab called the Imagine Lab. It is bringing CNC routing, laser engraving, vinyl cutting, 3D printing, a lot of great opportunities for our students here at the middle school that they've never had before. You know what, that's what we're all about here at New Albany Middle School, giving our students the best opportunity to learn through a hands-on learning approach.
So my name is Tyler Blair. I work for a company called Forest Scientific. Altogether we employ probably about 50 people. So we make CNC machines, being routers, plasma cutters, water jets. What you guys got is it's called a CNC router, so it cuts wood. So you can pretty much draw anything in a program called Cut 2D is what you guys have for your drawing software. And then once you draw it, then you got a toolpath which makes a G&M code, which is what tells the machine exactly what coordinates to transition to and the spindle speeds and so on and so forth.
So the CNC router is great because it's going to reinforce math skills that a lot of our 7th and 8th graders are going to learn. That way they can apply it to real life situations, and it's also great because vocational skills are really important right now, and so many jobs will actually use this in the workforce.
And these are just some things that we produce. On this one we used our smallest bit that we use in the CNC router, but we got to get multiple cuts within it. So we engraved the name, a bulldog, and then we used a deeper cut to get a border on this. And this is like a little name stand, I guess. We used a cut on the outside. We used a bigger bit for this, so we used a 1/4 inch on this. So that's why we got the opportunity to cut all the way around. So this is kind of the software. If you can see, there's an X, a Y, and a Z. So the X is your X-axis and your Y is the Y-axis. And then your extra axis, which is the Z, is your up and down. So it raises up and raises down. So there's a lot of math, a lot of graphing, different stuff involved in this software.
And what's nice about this software that you guys are running, Centroid, is going to be what's running the machine. Is a lot of places in the industry right now are actually using the same exact program. So you're teaching them now, and then when they get out and get a job in, even furniture making or something would be a great example. It's probably 90% all is going to be the same exact programming that they're learning here today.